Hi guys, it's Youcook here. Today's recipe is air fried chicken wings served with couscous salad and my homemade dressing with the addition of yellow mustard spread. If you haven't had a chance to watch that video, it is called Grilled Chicken Rice Combo at Youcook. I'm attaching the link here for your convenience. Also, I listed out the ingredients for the homemade dressing as well. Nowadays, air fryer is a way to go. It's easy to prepare. It can do so in the same way that it's slightly healthier than deep frying. So I can just have 7 minutes of your time to this video. You can pretty much prepare this recipe on your own. It's very simple and easy, takes less than half an hour, but I'm making this video as brief and short and simple as possible so you can follow this recipe easily. So I'm using 2 trays of whole wings. Give it a good rinse with salt water and that's it. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. To add an intense citrusy aroma, I'm using 1/8 teaspoon of Kaffir lime leaf powder. If you don't have Kaffir lime leaf powder, you can use lemon zest. Then add in about half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder. Two tablespoons of herb salt to finish my meat marinade. Put a pair of gloves on and give it a good mix and let it sit aside for a good 20 minutes. Now I'm just going to prepare my couscous salad. Couscous is more of a pasta. Is it healthier and has the same calorie as rice? In terms of calories, not really, it's about the same. However, if you compare the vitamins and the amounts of mineral, couscous is actually more healthier and slightly better. For this recipe, I'm using couscous because it looks better on a salad and it's more presentable. If you cannot find couscous in your market, local market, you can just add pasta. That is still good. And you want to know how to cook couscous? Cook just like rice. But the difference is how much water you put in. You put too much water, couscous becomes very, very soggy. It will not look good. So just follow the instruction in the back of the box to be safe. I'm using 1 box of baby spring mix. Cut 1 English cucumber into small chunks just like that. I don't have any fresh corn, so the only corn I have is frozen corn, and I'm adding in about 1 cup of frozen corn. I don't need to cook it, just dump it in. Add about a teaspoon of black ground pepper. Add in cherry tomatoes, cut them in half. Cut 1 avocado into small chunks. By the way, these corns are cooked. Now I'm just going to squeeze in about half a size of a lemon juice to keep my avocado from turning brown. Citric acid slows down the process of browning. We're pretty much done. I'm just waiting to add in my couscous. I'm checking on my couscous. It's almost done. When my couscous is done is when it doesn't stick to the side of my pot anymore. Chicken wings will be the last step for me to prepare because it takes only 20 minutes and I want to eat it when it's hot and crunchy. Here I'm using the Ninja. I love this machine. It's quick and easy, save me so much time. When it says add food, I'm just gonna throw in my chicken wings and I'm using air crispy this time so that my wings gonna turn out very, very crispy. Alright, counting down, 19 minutes and 53 seconds to go before I can have my dinner. I know lots of you have been viewing my videos but have not had a chance to subscribe. If you haven't done so, please like, share, and subscribe. If you are concerned about the frozen corn being too cold, not to worry, couscous going to warm it up. And that's it for this recipe. Now I'm just going to add in all my homemade dressing and give it a good mix, and dinner is ready. Thank you so much for your time and support. Hope you give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comment below. Until then, take care everyone. Stay safe.